In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cities or countries to special sequences in Freshsales. Whether you're refining your marketing reach or personalizing communication, let's walk through this step-by-step process that will enable you to customize your sales interactions effectively. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Freshsales. Once you've located it, go ahead and access the Freshsales website. At this point, you'll want to log in using your account credentials. If you're not already signed in, this would be the time to enter your username and password. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a variety of tabs. Click on the one labeled Conversations. This is your go-to section for managing communications within Freshsales. Once inside the Conversations hub, look for the Sales Sequences option and give it a click. What you want to do next is create a new sales sequence, so you'll click on Create Sales Sequence. Now you're presented with two options. You can choose to create a new sequence from scratch or opt to use one of the available templates. Depending on your needs, select the option that best suits your purpose. With your sequence set up, it's time to compose a new email within this sales sequence. This email is where you'll insert the dynamic placeholders for city and country. To do this, navigate to the Email Formatting toolbar. Here you'll find an icon typically represented by a less than and greater than symbol, often referred to as the Insert Placeholder icon. Clicking this icon will pull up a list of available options. From the list of available contact fields, you should see both country and city fields. Go ahead and select these, and what Freshsales does next is quite nifty. It will automatically insert the correct placeholder syntax directly into your email body. For example, you'll see something like contact.country or contact.city appear right where you need it. Now here's where the magic happens. When your sequence goes live, Freshsales will take these placeholders and replace them with the specific city and country information tied to each of your contacts, provided this data exists in their record. It's an excellent way to ensure your communication feels personalized and relevant. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, make sure to click Save or Save and Start to activate your sequence. This ensures that all of your changes are stored and your sales sequence is ready to roll. And there you have it, a clear process to integrate city and country information into your Freshsales email sequences. Not only does this make your emails a lot more dynamic, but it also paves the way for enhanced personalization, ultimately strengthening your marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Freshsales.